Hello and welcome. Today I tell you how to find the water leak in your pump or solar heating system if you have one. First reason is plants start to grow in unexpected places. And here, for example, it's not plants, it's this algae, and I have a leak from the expansion tank here. And I could try to fix this one just by tightening the screws, and if that doesn't work, the whole expansion tank will need to be replaced. So first, it's nice to try to tighten any screws if you have them. Sometimes they have no screws, and that's one leak. And there is also the actual water pump. When the pressure in the system increases, also the leaks increase. So when the pressure goes higher, it might get worse. Here, it could be that it's either the connection with the hose. You could try to tighten the hose going into the pump, which is not the case here. Or you could try to tighten the bleeding screw. Again, not the case. It's the actual pump that it's just really too old and it needs to be replaced. This is the solar system. It has two solar heating panels and one boiler and an expansion tank and the pump. It works pretty well, actually. These systems are really well, and it has also these water containers, the white ones on the left. They have quite a lot of water in them stored for if you have a water cut, if the water supply is interrupted for any reason, you won't even notice. This is another pump. Yeah, this one looks even worse than the other one. Yeah. So even I tried to clean up this place. I removed all these algae, and still you see it's leaking. And it's not the screw. I tightened the screw, I tightened the hose, it's not there. Also, there is also a small leak from the expansion tank, and it's from both. And the pump is just really you might, if you want, if you feel brave, you might try to open the pump and try to fix it, but I don't recommend that. Just get it replaced. This is really the way to do, I believe. And you might be able to replace only the motor, but in my case they are both pretty rusty, kind of, so I'll replace the whole pump and the automatic shut-off system. That system, when the pressure increases, it stops the pump. When it decreases, it starts the pump. So, automatic control system. In a future video, I'll show you how I replace the pump. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you next time. Bye.